How to create Discord server. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to create Discord server on mobile. After you open up your Discord app on your mobile phone, tap on this plus icon. So under this plus, here it says create my own. So create your server, tap on this. Or if you don't want to create your own, you can be able now to use any template in this option. So you can use either your gaming, school club, study group, friends, artist, creator. So you can choose the template is even better for you. So I'll go with this template, this one. So friends or club, so I'll just choose this community. So here you can give it a name. So I'll just go ahead and give it a name, my forum. So after you give it a name like this, so here is the name. So now you can tap on this option now to select a profile picture, this one. You can select your profile picture. After you select the profile picture, just tap on the create button. So now here is here is your link. So now you can copy the link and share it with anyone and tap on this done button. So now you create your Discord server. If you want to see your server, you can tap on this back. So at the top, if you refresh like this, so as you can see now here is my server because it doesn't have a profile icon, that's why. So as you can see now, here is it now. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe.